So all of the following are white QRS tachycardia except VT, SVT with aberrancy, Tarsidy pointis. So we are asking about white QRS regular tachycardia. So Tarsidy pointis is white QRS complex irregular tachycardia. Which of the following is not the feature of VT? Intermittent Carnot waves is a feature of VT. The previous MI can be VT, LDD can be VT, but because of the AV dissociation in VT, you will have varying intensity of first heart sound. So now we are asking you to decipher the ECG, and we are asking what is the particular beat is. We are shown in the arrow this beat. So because the basic white QRS complex here, and suddenly you find a narrow beat here. So in the presence of a white QRS complex tachycardia, suddenly you find a narrow beat here, it is likely to be a capture beat, which indicates that this is likely to be a ventricular tachycardia.